Pisces, my water babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. This page be a blessing to you. Your word of the day is choice. Your choice is to turn up your services, your gears up to another level, expand your gifts, expand your talents. It is up to you. You are in control. You come so far, and now you're understanding that more can happen, more that you can do. Stretch yourself. Make sure that you do things for your betterment, not for your convenience. When we're uncomfortable, that's when we're the most in control. When we're out of control, when we do not have control, that's when we are our strongest and things actually change for our lives because we built that strength that was not there. Therefore, bigger blessings can come in. I choose serenity, light, and positive energy no matter what I go through. I choose happiness. I rise above fear and I direct my thoughts to God. Fall in love with your purpose. You fall in love with your service. Fall in love with putting in the work. Fall in love with putting an extra effort. It's going to stretch you. It may not feel great now, but it's going to feel amazing in the months coming. You're going to love the results because you made sure that you stepped up and you did it. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.